According to Darwin, the organic evolution is due to another very important tip for you guys is whenever you get long options, you get options that have a lot of content in them, read all of them because they are confusing. One word answers here, it's very easy for you. When there's a long option, read all the options. So let's do that. According to Darwin, the organic evolution is due to first competition within closely related species. Okay, what do they mean to say? अभी सब होमोजीनस ले लो, उसके स्पीशीज है उसमें कंपटीशन हो रहा है, ठीक है. दैट इज हाउ एवोल्यूशन पॉसिबली हैपेंड. होमो सेपियंस थे, वो लोग ने नेचुरली सिलेक्ट हो गए एंड वी आर द वंस दैट सर्वाइव, बाकी के एक्सटिंक्ट. क्लोजली रिलेटेड स्पीशीज में कंपटीशन होता है, यस, ऑर्गेनिक एवोल्यूशन में पार्ट है. रिड्यूस्ड फीडिंग एफिशिएंसी इन वन स्पीशीज ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ इंटरफियरिंग स्पीशीज, ये भी हो सकता है. अभी एग्जांपल हमने देखा है दूसरे चैप्टर्स में, वी सीन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दीस इंटरफियरिंग स्पीशीज. क्या है वो, जब फिश पॉपुलेशन को अफेक्ट किया था, वो एक एग्जांपल है, विक्टोरियन लेक. So you try and remember that example, then that can also happen. Third is the intra-specific competition. Fourth is interspecific. Interspecific is again first option जैसे competition within a is related. Now the question, now none of these options are wrong. The reason why this is an important question is that none of these options are. What do we do here? What we do here is we go with the most common cause. So the organic evolution, as Darwin explained it, was caused mainly due to what? Mainly it was due to intraspecific. How? So when you have the same species, today when you see the world, what do you see? Man and man is competing with each other. Are we competing with other animals? Not much. Right? Oh, hey, that is a part of it. That is why man has evolved so much. That is why we are so forward in terms of technology, in healthcare, in medicine, all this. We are ahead. But are we competing more with other animals than we are with ourselves? No. Today when you are giving your NEET, also you are competing with other people of the same, who are humans, right? So the most common cause for organic evolution. So evolved species will be the ones who's kept the others behind, who's moved beyond all of this. Understood? So intraspecific competition, we'll also review this test, we'll see the explanation, see that we'll understand it. So when we look at intraspecific competition, that is the most common cause for organic evolution. While all others are also correct, please remember this. But as I save this question, take a screenshot, save this question, it's very important to do that. So the answer to this question as we see is intraspecific competition. According to Darwin, the organic evolution is due to, अभी इसमें like I said, important क्यों है ये question, ये वाला mark कर लीजिए because इसमें सारे options हैं. Intraspecific competition leads to evolution. Variations arise naturally in a growing population due to crossing. अभी क्यों common है? एक species है तो साथ में रहेगी ज़्यादा. साथ में रहेगी मतलब वो लोग एक resources limited है उसके एक ही region में. For example, मुंबई का शहर है, अभी इसमें इतने humans रह रहे हैं, तो आप compete एक दूसरे से इतना कर रहे हो for all the resources that are there in Mumbai. दैट मीन्स एवोल्यूशन आपका ज्यादा होगा बिकॉज आपका कंपटीशन भी उतना ज्यादा है, आप दूसरी स्पीशीज से उतना कंपीट नहीं कर रहे हो इन दैट गिवन रीजन. तो रिसोर्सेज जो आपके पास है आप कंपीट मेनली अपने आप में ही कर रहे हो. तो इंट्रा स्पेसिफिक कंपटीशन सबसे कॉमन कॉज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक एवोल्यूशन.